wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.
Back. So my last two videos were mostly outside, like I did vlogs and stuff. If you haven't seen them, I will be putting them at the end of it. Also, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be subscribed every time I post a new video. And today's video is kind of like just came up because I was cleaning my cupboard the other day and I found my memory box. Oh, it's really heavy. But so I thought I'd show you guys what's in my memory box. So I've had this box for a long time now. I've had this in school time. So like I'm in college right now, second year. So let's get started. Okay, the first up is the Holi pass. So I was supposed to go to Holi this year, but the plans got cancelled thanks to COVID. And these are the passes that I have. So this is the ticket that we got. So I had gone to Bangkok 2 years back, and the Ferris wheel, you know, the big one. So this was the entry for it. I can't believe I still have it. Also, this box has a lot of like birthday return gifts and cards and stuff. Yeah, just like this one. So this is my friend's sister made it for me 2 years back. This is a photo frame. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see it, but I look so bad. This was like in the 8th standard or something. So my friend, she filled like an entire box with goodies and cards and those thermocol balls, and I got so excited. I'm sure everybody has this because it's literally the most common childhood memory of everybody. This is Kidzania money, guys. 10 rupees. Take me back. What's in here? It's all stuck together. You can see how old it is. Oh, this is like a book cover that my friend made for me, which is kind of torn and tattered. Okay, this. Okay, I know this will look very, very weird, but even I don't know what this is. Okay, so the story behind this was in 2017. I am a huge Alia Bhatt fan, and I met her during Filmfare Awards, if I'm not sure. And the next day we went after the function got over, and this was on the floor, and I got so excited. And they were just going to throw it. So I just took it like a memento to remember it. It's like of a dancer's dress up or something. I will put my photo. Oh, this. My sister Gary, who's shooting right now, made this for my birthday. Oh my god. Okay guys, don't cringe, but this is really huge. Oh. Sorry, it was ulta. This is how it is. It is so huge, and it has memories on the side, and these are like all our pictures. Shit, I don't believe this. This is school time. I miss it so much. And this picture that I kind of loved back then. Oh, this is the fan fest. I attended YouTube fan fest 3 years back. It was so much fun. Oh, okay. Pro Kabaddi. So, my friends and I, so basically NSCI has a lot of events going on, and this was there happening one day, and we went, and I got this as a gift. My school diary. Oh, this is such a... I miss it so much. So this has all my friends' numbers and like information. I remember I told you guys my friend made those like a box. She gave me a box with thermocol and gifts, and she had like these many cards in it. There are so many of them. Literally, there are so many of them. I love these things, you know, they were so cute and I was so excited. I literally kept them on my table and I used to just look at it for hours because it was so sweet. Another birthday card, and if you guys don't know, my favorite color is orange. So, an orange card has to be. It yet has so much, oh my god. Oh, and look at what I have. This cute little sticker. Sticker, no, eraser. Well, for those who don't know, I'm quite a quotes person, and I have this with me. Wait. Don't judge, but I had attended a Halloween party, and this is what I got, and I kept it with me. The pirate eye. Another card. Okay. Oh, this my friend had made me. Shit, this is so old. It's got like pictures and stuff. Yeah. Oh, I really have this. This is my last school trip. I have the, you know those, the where they write on the description about what the trip was. I have it with me. My prestigious medal that I won for throwball. I miss playing. Okay, so this was my first concert that I went to, and my friend bought these glow sticks and I kept them with me. More cards, guys. Wow, so many cards. Well, I can't read all of them because some of them are a little too personal, but I have more stuff. Again, a Kazania menu, guys. The map. I'm sure everybody had this when they went there. I miss it, yeah. I was going there. So, my friend had gone to London 1-2 years back, and she bought this as a memento because they had gone to see Nemo together. So, this is what we got. Oh, my sister's photo. She's smiling. Oh yeah, I told you now, guys, my first ever Sunburn concert. I have the wristband of it. Okay, I know this is too much, but I literally keep a lot of this stuff. More cards. Well, what do I have here? Oh, another Thailand ticket. Bangkok. Okay. This has a whole story. I don't know whether you can see it. Can you can see it here? So So last year I had done an ad shoot for Cadbury with my mom, and we had gone for this amazing shoot for 2 days. And these balls were used, and I fell in love with them, so I took them and kept them with me. And I remember when we used them, they even broke because they are so light, but they were so pretty. I had to keep them with me, obviously. Another birthday. Oh yeah. I'm sure whoever's seen this, whoever made it for me will literally remember this. So, here's throwback to Christmas 2019. I love carrying these small hats, okay? They were so cute. Oh my gosh. This literally is, oh my god. So, last year I went to Hong Kong, and Garima carried the room card because she forgot to give it back. So, this is what I have. I literally have the room card with me. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not even kidding. Oh, this is the game Atria. My sister's birthday last year. It was so much fun. I have this special name tag of my name on it. I also have these mini frisbee things, or like an eraser, more erasers, and obviously an orange rubber band in it. I don't know why, but oh my god. Okay, so this is my travel 2017, my first ever international travel. It's written 2017 Bangkok. I kept it. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of mini stuff here. A lot of them. This my sister made for me. Christmas cards. Okay, this is my 8th standard like achievement thing. You know, in the last year school we had a ceremony where we gave each person like a tag, and this is what I got, and I kept it with me. I miss school so much. my school, what's it called? Badge. And I also have a lot of mini letters. Like these, I'm not going to open up because I can't open them up. Another letter, more letters. Okay, I have a lot of letters. And let's see what else I have. What is this? No, what's this? I don't know. Okay. And oh, okay. So this is the travel ticket. You know, when you go to the metro abroad in Bangkok, this is what we had to use, and I kept it with me. So this is what it looks like. The one-time pass thing. Okay, so the fun fact is it was actually a one-time pass, okay? But my sister, she walked through and I walked with her at the same time, which is why I never used it, so I kept it with me. Okay. This is like the holy color, like this is way back. This is like in school time, my friend I got permanent color and I kept the dabba with me for some reason. Little Flea. I went last year with my friends. I have the tag. Okay, I like keeping these mini stuff. Okay, they're like so fun, and when I keep opening it up, it just makes me so happy. Here, another card by my sister, which is super cute. And lastly, and this is my school picture. This is you're right in the middle. Oh my gosh, I don't look like me at all, but like, guys, this is what age me. Oh my god. And I guess okay. So this is the metro ticket. So these two tickets, okay, they are from metro last year. It's fine. So last actually in 2018, actually yesterday, I had done my first ever shoot with Diana Penty for an ad, and I got with my friend, and this was the first time we went through a metro. So I took the tickets with me, and it was such a special day. That shoot day was so much fun, and yesterday only my friend sent me the picture of what we had clicked 2 years back. It's been 2 years. I mean, it was such an amazing day. This is another sunburn ticket. The last thing. And lastly, my sister's Polaroid. This was when she was a little small. She's shocked to see that I have it herself, but I kept it with me. And I guess that's it for today, guys. My box is empty. There's been a lot of memories in here, and I just want to say that whoever is part of this, and even if a little thing of yours is in it, I just want to say that you were a very important place in my life, or you used to, maybe like long time back. But these are all my memories till now. I hope to collect a lot of them in the future, and I hope you guys had a lot of fun seeing it. I know it was quite a very weird video. I mean, I've never seen such videos before, but I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram, notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.